Let's begin working on making a bow with your shoelaces. So now that your child is better at making an X, grabbing the lace on top to put through the hole and pull. Now to make a bow, you want to teach them to get the end of the shoelace and tuck it in the shoe. Get the end of the shoelace or bunny tail and tuck it in the shoe. Now they are left with 2 bunny ears. So with the bunny ears, you want to use your thumb and your index finger, thumb and index finger, pointer finger on both sides, to cross them and make an X. So here's my X. And there's the hole. Which one is on top? The red bunny ear is on top. So I want to put that through the hole. Put it through the hole, grab the blue bunny ear and pull. Ta-da! There's your tied shoelace. Let's do that again. You can untie, so use your thumb and your pointer finger to grab one bunny tail or the end of the shoelace and pull. Find the middle where the knot is and grab one shoelace or the blue shoelace. Use your thumb and index finger on your other hand and grab the red shoelace and pull. All right, now we're ready to start again. Let's try again. So make an X, put one shoelace on top of the other. Here's my X. Which one is on top? Red. Grab the red one at the end and put it in the hole. Use 2 hands to pull, the red string and the blue string. Find the end of the blue string and tuck it in your shoe. Find the end of your red string and tuck it in your shoe. If they need a little more of an anchor, you can teach them to tuck it in, leave the top hole empty on your shoe, on the shoe, and have them tuck it in that one without pulling it through. So just put in and stop. And you can do that with both sides if you need to. Put it in and stop. So now I have 2 bunny ears. Now I'm going to use my thumb and my index finger. The reason we do that is so that our other fingers don't get in the way when we're trying to manipulate the shoestrings. And I'm going to make an X. Use your thumb and index finger to hold them together. Here's my X. And here's the hole. Which one's on top? The red one. So grab the red bunny ear and put it in the hole. Push it through. Grab it with your thumb and index finger, and then grab the blue bunny ear with your thumb and index finger and pull, pull, pull. Ta-da! We have a tied shoelace. Very, very good. Have fun practicing. Take your time and let me know how it goes.